Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make old-fashioned potato salad, easy method. Boil halved waxy potatoes in salted water until a fork slides in easily, then drain and cool them on a tray. While cooling, chop celery and onions and whisk together mayonnaise, mustard, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Combine cooled potatoes with dressing and mix gently to avoid mashing. Taste and adjust seasoning for balanced flavor. Peel and chop potatoes into uniform chunks after cooling to keep consistent bites throughout the salad. Gently fold in chopped celery, onion, and pickles for crunch and tang, then add most of the dressing and mix until coated. Taste and add reserved dressing if needed to reach your desired creaminess. Chill the salad for at least an hour to let flavors marry, then garnish with paprika and chopped herbs just before serving. If you're enjoying this potato salad tutorial, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading cookbooks or food essays while your salad chills, with a bright screen and waterproof design that makes kitchen use worry-free. I've been reaching for mine between steps, and it's handy for timers and ingredient inspiration. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For classic flavor, balance mayo with a teaspoon or two of vinegar and a teaspoon of mustard to brighten the salad without overpowering it. Fold in chopped hard-boiled eggs for creaminess and extra body, and add sweet pickle relish if you like a touch of sweetness. Adjust salt and pepper in small increments, tasting between additions, and refrigerate to let the flavors settle together before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.